It's haunted. Oh, there's water. Here we go. We're gonna get wet. Oh, she's holding her breath. What are you doing?
We are at Lance's house and we're going on the Argo.
Did you see Banjoe fly out?
What happened? You need to hold on.
That's a deep hole.
Well, the creek's been washing it out.
Dipped in the pool, right?
That was the fun part.
Getting wet? Look for alligators. Yeah, he's still leaking a lot of water. That's a good washout. Who got stuck there? Look at that technical control.
Why is Banjoe had the most fun?
Why is Banjoe the only one that's wet?
Because I got jumped in the water.
On. Hold the brake. Yep. Hit start. All right.
Put it on run.
That's it. Let go of the brake. Nice and easy on the throttle.
Right on. Crazy driver.
Nice and easy. You gotta go through your hole to redeem yourself.
Is that Banjoe's hole?
Yep.
I'm gonna go in the creek.
Slow.
Oh.
All right.
Yeah.
You redeemed yourself.
My
What are you doing? Who's driving this thing?
Oh, there's thorns.
There was. That was a thorn bush.
Oh, who's driving?
That's why you never touch it. Go. Then it's got a bad spin. Straight.
Go. Turn it straight.
That one.
We're stuck. Blow the whistle. What happened? You got us stuck?
Let Banjoe be the one to get us stuck.
How are you stuck there? Banjoe, you have to pay for this, Mackenzie says. You got it stuck, you hook it up.
I didn't hear, but I thought you guys might be out stuck on the lake.
That's convenient. We didn't want it to slide.
What?
All right, go and hook it.
Banjoe's hole.
It should be good now. Yeah, she fell in again. To what? She's not a good driver.
Does that disc look like
It's supposed it would be vibrating. The whole thing is a motor.
Hey guys, today we are at Lance and my day is going a little good because I got dumped in the creek and then I got hit by thorns and then we got stuck. And then that's it. And then I'm all muddy. This is mine. All done.
Back it up, Terry. Back it up, Terry. You're already over. No, you just went through the middle again. He's gonna come out right there.